Cutting the attraction to gangs so youngsters aren't inclined to join. That's the mission of the St. Catherine North Police with workshops that target school-age population. Romardo Lyons has the details.
Weapons in bags instead of books. Jail cells because of criminal activity. Hospitals because of blood drawn. And worst case scenario, mourning at a graveside. That's what the police are trying to avoid.
We do not want them to see the gang as an attractive option.
He's talking about youth in the St. Catherine North Division. He says males as young as 14 have been seen to be involved in criminal activities in the division. Now 14-year-olds are between grade 7 and grade 8 in high school.
We realize that most of our crimes are being committed by young men between the ages of 14 and 30. And we want to help to have some behavioral change before it gets out of hand.
As at May 16, 2026, murders in St. Catherine North have decreased by 7%. However, shootings are up 17.6%. SSP Nicholson says there are several players on the police radar that they are trying to get before they get to gang level.
There are a few groupings of which is not very significant, and the activities are mostly of a social nature. But we do not want it to reach to the level where we can attribute it to what we describe as a gang.
SSP Nicholson says the strategic workshop on anti-gang activities, SWAGA, is being used to target youth in the division.
We have experts coming in as well as our operatives from Community Safety and Security and operatives from the St. Catherine North Police Division, where we engage students along with their parents, school administrators such as counselors and deans of discipline. We have engagements, a workshop where we engage them and we discuss issues that we think are likely to draw youngsters into gang activities.
It's the third workshop to date, and several schools and thousands of students are on the agenda.
We work along with the various schools, and we have been getting requests from even schools that are outside of our division. And as best as practicable, we try to facilitate them to have these forms of engagement.
Ultimately, the goal is to steer youth away from lives of criminality.
We believe that our school facilitators, our educators, they believe that workshops like these can assist the students in giving them another option, another way of thinking, so that they can look at how they conduct themselves, not just for education in the formal system, but to understand how the streets operate and some of the things that they should try to avoid, so as not to be caught in a situation where their grouping, their social group has been described as a gang.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.